So May, I think 22. It's the day before the lunar eclipse. So I think it's day 5 with this baby. And even birds are tiring every 2 hours. I'm like, if you wake him up, you're putting him back to sleep. So yesterday he ate ants for the first time. He's starting to sharpen his beak. Now we're gonna go to the tree. Oh, there's Dorothy. Squirrel. See her? Yeah, and we're going to Freddy's yard because this is where I'm moving. Maybe. So I want the bird to know any day he's gonna fly away. I'm gonna be sad. Hi, Dorothy, or not, Dorothy. So I always put him on this branch. Get over, baby. Get over. Wait, on this one usually. Today, give me your feet. We're putting him on this one. Got it? There you go. Be a bird. Take be a bird. He was sharpening his beak, like birds do. Oh, there's an inchworm, I think, over there. Look at him. Look at him. He's so cute. He's being a bird. Baby. Baby. Yeah. You're all wet. I put him in my garden. Oh, owie. I put water to try to find some worms, but I didn't have any worms. That's baby. Okay. You're going to be a bird. So people walking around. He's clean. I bathe him every day. Yeah. And we have a bath every day. Clean towels all the time. Ooh, hold on, buddy. Oh, I think it's a girl because she's a bitch. She's bitchy. She's bossy. He's a boss. Look at you being a bird. You'll find some ants. Yeah, I got the water running down my yard for the birds. See, a little puddle. My hose is over there. I call it the tree of life. Oh, where'd Birdie go? Baby. And there's Dorothy. Hey, buddy. Girl. Or not. Wait, is it Dorothy? I'm not sure. No, because Dorothy's missing fur. When they're missing fur, it's because mothers love their babies so much, they pull out their fur to put it in their nest to make their babies warm. Yep, even the ant. Look. What is that? What is that? What is that dangling? What is that dangling? Where'd it go? Don't go in my hair. I think it's an inchworm. Is it? Is it an inchworm? Or is it? Isn't it? No, it's bark on an inchworm, whatever. Web. Look, being a birdie. You being a bird? You being a bird? Yeah. In the house he walks around like he's a peep. It's funny. But he's starting to fly, not fall. It's day 5 or 4 with him. Boy, just wet cat food with water for the first few days. Then cat food, wet cat food. And then a little bit with water after. And then the one day I shredded up an apple really fine. And put it in with he was like, I think he was getting a fever. Not enough vitamin. Look, you being a bird. You being a bird. You're sharpening your beak on the branches yesterday. Yeah. No one loses instincts. Look how cute. Look. I just put an apple in with the cat food a little bit. And the next day he was a lot better. Because I looked it up. Sterling